If you do not have a dog, I am so sorry because you are missing out on one of the greatest experiences of love that you will ever have in your life. I love you. They are just so amazing. So crazy to me that dogs show you that they love you so much without ever saying a word to you in their entire lifetime. And there's just really nothing like it. Isn't there, Molly? I love you. I love you so much. Get the dog. If you're thinking about it, if you're on the fence, just get the dog. I promise you, she was the best impulsive decision of my entire life. My entire life. I love you so much. Mwah. My baby.